guys, here we go. I got this transmission off. I was able to get my door closed, strapped up. Safety is the key, guys. So, about to head out, guys, so y'all wish me luck. Now, this is not a lot of money at all. By no means is this a lot of money. I just need my space. I need to do some work in the garage at home, so I need some space. All right, let's get it.
I can't play that out loud, guys. Let me turn that down. But fellas, we are here. Oh no, looks like a long line. No. Oh, I don't have time for this. Oh my goodness. Is the scale broke? Please let me get on today. Oh no. Busy day out here, guys. Today is Saturday. Weekend after the Thanksgiving. What is all these people doing? Some told me to get up and come out here early in the morning. Oh wow, guys, I gotta get it done. I need a truck. I need some space. Come on, fellas, what are y'all doing? I really just need to unload. Hold on, bro. Y'all see that? This clown ain't even trying to stop. Look at that food. Oh, he must be trying. He ain't done. Look at him. Whoa, where's everybody? Okay, I just want to get in. This guy's crazy. Look at him. Is he gonna hit something? Okay. Why is this guy leaving with a load? Are they turning people away? Please don't say that. Alright, guys, let me get in here before somebody wrecked somebody. So he must have been rushing to get on the scale. Oh, there's some crazy foolishness going on out here. Look, everybody got a load. I might just junk all this stuff off, man. I don't have time to wait on the proper way. I think I'm dump everything out, radiators and all, guys. Because I ain't gonna even be able to get to that scale over there. Matter of fact, I'm so in a hurry, I'll just dump the load and just let somebody else have it. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. It's crazy out here. Alright guys, we're nothing traditional about the day. I don't have time now. I'm just gonna dump it all off. Aluminum radiators and all. It's a hectic day today. I guess I learned my lesson. Never come in the afternoon. Either come early in the morning or at the end of the day, because it is too hectic out here. So I'm gonna actually lose money because I'm gonna dump the aluminum radiators out in the pile, in the steel. You get more for aluminum, but I don't have time to. Look, it is so dangerous. You can catch a flat. Look at that guy. Y'all remember the last guy that caught that flat? I do not want that to happen to me. So, look at all the junk. It's like hell out here. She called my number. I'm dumping it all off. All right, guys, I got work to do. Stay tuned. All right, we got the radiators off. Now we got to get the rest of this junk off. Oh, almost forgot that. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. What did I get? Not much. What is that? Hey, that's more than what I had. Now I just got to get out. All right, bro, you got to let me out. Woo! All right, guys. All right, I'm done, guys. Woo, y'all see that? I can't take it no more, man. I've had enough. Okay, this was too much. I didn't get nowhere near what I was supposed to get. That's because, hey, just take a stab at it. I didn't even feel like getting back on the scales. I know they got over on me this time, but that's all right. It won't happen next time. All right, but I'm done, guys. I got it, man. It's about 3 more loads at the shop. It'll be a whole week or so before I don't know. It's kind of dead at the shop, so I might get a chance to make another run. But until then, I'll see y'all, man. Thanks for tuning in, man. Just a little something. Ain't no big deal. Scrap y'all run. If you got junk laying around the house or in your garage, which every mechanic do, find something useful to do with it, like sell it. Okay? There's a market for everything, even junk. All right, guys, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe real quick, and I'll see y'all in the next video.